Yesterday, oil made a second sharp drop in the last 4 days. The Russian ruble is depreciating across the board, whereas the euro is trading mixed. Oil futures contracts lost around $3.5 US per barrel, which is almost 5%. In general, oil depreciated by $9 US or 15% from its high reached on March 8. At the same time, the uptrend is still in place, while the current decline is just a phase of correction rather than a full downside reversal. Brent crude gained 0.1% in the morning trade and settled at $60.80 per barrel after a deep fall yesterday. Despite a strong downward movement, analysts predict that oil prices will rebound soon. So Brent is expected to trade in the range of $59 to $62 per barrel. WTI also advanced by 0.1% and was holding at the level of $57.80 per barrel in the early session. North American crude is likely to rebound as well and stay in the channel between $56.50 and $59 per barrel. The ruble remains under strong pressure due to the sell-off wave in oil that started yesterday and rising tensions between the US and Russia. The ruble's decline may have reached its peak, so a rebound is highly likely. Today, the dollar-ruble pair is trading at 76.20 and is expected to stay in the range of 75 to 76.80 rubles per dollar. In the global foreign exchange market, the euro is losing ground against the US dollar. However, the ruble's position is even worse. Therefore, the euro is rising against the ruble at almost the same pace as the greenback. Today, the ruble is trading at 90.20 against the euro. The pair is expected to hold in the channel between 88.50 and 90.80 rubles per euro. The market sentiment largely depends on decisions, statements, and hints made by state officials, legislative and financial bodies, as well as businessmen. Thus, we can clearly see the impact of the statement made by the Russian officials about their plans to move away from the US dollar and the SWIFT payment system. Such statements weigh heavily on the ruble and trigger a selling wave. Meanwhile, oil is also trading in a swing mode. At first, the price surged to new highs, so the correction was needed. After that, higher oil prices encouraged non-OPEC countries to ramp up their production. In particular, crude output increased in the US. Now, oil is declining due to the third coronavirus wave and weak fuel demand. In the near future, the demand for oil is unlikely to rise. The heating season will end soon, and the need for fuel will stay low due to existing lockdown restrictions. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.